Well, first of all, get your blood pressure checked. Secondly, consider purchasing a blood pressure machine for your home because then you have a lot more data off of which to go. Blood pressures can sometimes be higher or even lower in the doctor's office than you would find on a high quality machine at home. After you've determined that the blood pressures are starting to go up, try considering more cardiovascular exercise or aerobic activity, walking, jogging. Another thing would be to try to lower your stress. Reducing the salt intake can be very helpful. Even a teaspoon of salt less per day can lower your blood pressure. And losing weight, which takes a little bit more time, even 5 or 8 pounds, can also help to reduce your blood pressure naturally. If these natural approaches are not working or not working sufficiently, talk to your doctor about blood pressure medication. Get that blood pressure under control.